Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel. We're on a mission. Let's try that again. We're on a mission to get stuff like that out of the trash and into a recycle, resale, reuse stream. Now, we have one minor problem today. You're going to see it here in just a minute. Oh, I brought the wrong cutters. I meant to try the big cutters with the other hand again. Anyway, so here's the small problem that we're going to have. I'll show you. The minor problem that we have, the truck is full. All right, how did that happen? You're thinking to yourself, come on, Sharky, you're smarter than that. Well, we had a grand plan yesterday. Got this filled up with some stuff from an auto shop that I was helping clear out. And it was supposed to get unloaded yesterday. However, there was a thunderstorm and I wasn't able to get it unloaded. So what I'm doing is I'm going through this neighborhood. This is the normal day to do this neighborhood. I'm gonna get the small stuff that I can, and then I'm gonna mark where the big stuff is. Go empty the truck and come back. Because with this neighborhood, I can usually, on a regular time, get back for a second run if I have to. So we're gonna see if we can make that work today. I'll be leaving here in a little bit. The yard opens up at 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna leave here in a little bit, leave this neighborhood and go get the truck unloaded and then come back. So far we haven't found much. Just a little bit of cord food here and there, and then that grill is the first thing that I'll make note of to come back for at some point. Hello, good morning. That's our plan. We'll see how well it turns out. So let's see. Let's see. We're going to come in straight just like we always do and cut. And well, it worked pretty good that time, didn't it? I wonder, let's do a test. Let's see if we come in at an angle. Yeah, see, when I come in at an angle, it gets goobered up. So we come in straight, it cuts pretty good. So I'm going to believe that it's got more to do with coming in perpendicular than and avoid coming in at an angle. But I will know to resort to the right hand. Vroom, vroom. I know how to solve this problem. There we go. Problem solved. Ubiquitous wire shelving. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 4 pieces here of ubiquitous wire shelving. And get this in here. And we have a few things here that are scuttle wrappable. Now, you see, I came in almost, let's see, so maybe it's the type of wire, too, that is a problem. Maybe some of that wire just doesn't cut real well. All right, well, I think that works. So when all else fails, just break it. And a military style cot. There's some dirt. You can fit there, are you? Maybe you'll fit here well enough to make the yard run. All right, that'll be good enough to get to the yard. Oh, broken caster. Not worth trying to fix. Those things are so inexpensive. And we'll grab you. I'm not going to grab that. That's still got stuff on it. That's got nasty on it. All right, let's see. All right, you're not going anywhere there. You have great risk of damage or falling out in that situation. You're not going anywhere there. Okay. All right. We'll get some cordage on the way out. There we go. Good morning. How are you? Awesome, thank you. Okay, we're not going to play the what didn't you see me load game because, well, you didn't see me load most of what's in the truck. We did pick up some ubiquitous wire shelving, so go ahead and leave your thoughts on how much ubiquitous wire shelving we got. Don't forget the 12th of July major shark scrapper announcement coming out with Shark Week. I am going to shift to Mako speed here and get through this unload because there's some pretty cool things that came out of this auto body shop. You're going to want to stick around and watch all the stuff that's coming out, especially of that refrigerator where I threw a bunch of stuff in there, because there's some really cool stuff that came out of that auto body shop. Again, don't forget, special announcement on the 12th of July, Shark Week, on the Shark Scrapper channel. Okay, everybody, let's get to Mako speed. Well, that was almost a record for me. 700 pounds in one load at 9.35 cents a pound. That was $65.45, so a really good day. And that was mostly from that auto shop that had to shut down. All right, folks, well, let's say goodbye to Herbie up there in the big grain machine. Link's going to pop up to take you to more street scrapping videos. I'm going to get back out on the road. You all have a great day.